back to my channel. Today we will be learning about very basic concept, that is extrusion. So how to do the extrusion, and in this video I'll be covering only the basic concept. In the extrusion many options are available. I am not today I'll be not discussing all those topics. So only basic topics. Those who are extremely beginners or those who are just starting their SolidWorks self-learning journey, so this video will be very helpful for them. So without wasting much time, let's start. So to start with, you need to click on file. Okay, after clicking on file, click on new. After click on new, this window will be appear, and from this click on part design and then click on OK. So now see, you are into the SolidWorks interface. This white portion, entire white portion is called SolidWorks interface. Okay, and after that click a plane of your choice, right click on it and then click on the sketch, so that you will be able to enter into the 2D sketch. Okay, after that, here what you can do, you have to draw a closed object. Make sure you have to draw a closed object. Now you may ask the question, if my object is open or if my sketch is open, whether you are able to extrude it or not. Yes, you can. The answer is yes, you can, but this is little bit of advanced SolidWorks. Only the basic one you need to understand, that the object or 2D sketch need to be closed. Okay, and one more things to remember, the 2D sketch need to be closed and it has to be constrained. Okay, constraint mean position wise and dimension wise it is fixed. Okay, after that click on any sketch whatever you require. I am drawing a midline extension. Okay, and click on the origin and then stretch it. Okay, and then click it, then right click and click on select. That means I have finished this drawing. Now next option is you have to provide the dimensions. For the dimension, here click on smart dimension. Both way you can give the dimension. First option is from here you can click on smart dimension, select this object, select this line and place the dimension. Then from this modification pop-up box you can modify the required value. Suppose here I am writing as 300 and then close it. Okay, and then close the property manager. Both you need to close. See, the line is completely black. That means it is constrained. The sketch is constrained. The second option is, this is the first option. Second option is to give the dimension. First you need to select the line. From here one option is there. See, this is scale smart dimensioning. This also works same, but both way I am telling you there is a two way to give the dimension. First I have shown you, this is the second option. Okay, so click on the smart dimension and here click on the line and place it and modify the required value. In this case I am not modifying because I am okay with the 300 and then close it. Okay, and from the property manager also you have to close the property manager of dimension. Okay, this much hope I think clear. Next you have to draw a closed object. Okay, so again I'm clicking on line and from here from the end point I'm starting it, and this yellow color line is showing the tracking line. I'll just follow the yellow color line to make my line vertical and then click it, and then down, then again click it. Every time it is tracking and snapping the end point. Okay, click and then again click on the end point. Okay, see, and then closed it. Okay, now right click and click on select. Now see, these lines are not constant. How I am understanding? Because these lines are blue in color. That means it is not position wise and dimension wise fixed. Okay. Next, what you can do, you need to make this sketch. You need to actually convert this sketch into a constraint dimension. Okay, now click on the smart dimension and specify from here to here, specify the value. Suppose it is 200. Fine. Now, and from this line to this origin value is 50. Okay, now see, I have to make both the side in the same parallel face. So how to do that? Select this one and press Ctrl, select this line and make it parallel. Okay, now see, both the line is parallel. Now I have to provide the value from here to here. So now make it 200. Sorry, it is not 20, it is 200. Okay, and now from here this is 50 and from here to here this is 50. Okay, see, my sketch is complete constraint. Why? Because the whole dimension, whole lines converted into the black color and it is not over constant. The sketch has to be constraint for the SolidWorks, not over constraint. Okay, once you constrain the sketch and you draw the views, either it is front view or top view, as per the requirement you have to draw it and then exit from the 2D sketch. Now from this take, you have to exit from the 2D sketch. Okay, now see, we are into the 3D environment. After that, click on extruded boss. So click on this and click on the extrusion. Here so many options are there. Today I will be only learning few options in this. So first option is here, see, blind. In this blind I have to provide the value either this direction or opposite direction. So the value may be 50. Okay, if you want to make it in the opposite direction, just click on the reverse direction. Here this option is called reverse direction. Click on it, reverse direction. And if you want to change the dimension from here, you can change. Suppose I am doing it 70. Okay, 70 mm and okay. It could be this side or that side. Or else what you can do, there is another option which is called mid plane extension. This is blind. So in this blind direction 1, that means in this direction or the reverse direction, it is 70. Or else we have another option which is called mid plane. So that sketch will be in between and the extrusion will be both the side. So from here to here, from this point to this point will be 35 and this point to this point will be 35. If you want to change the value, then you can specify the value as 100. See, from this point to this side is 50 and this side to this side is 50. Okay, and now accept it. Fine. See, now if you want to provide some color in this in this 3D object, just select it, or from here just right click on it, and then here appearance options is there. So from the appearance choose the color, okay, and select it, accept or accept. Fine. And if you want to edit the object, then what you can do, just right click on this, and there is an option called features edit. Suppose you by mistake, if you have done any mistake in dimension and all, you can modify. That's why this is a parametric software. So right click on it and then click on features, and then here if you want to modify something, then you can. Suppose this is 150, and then accept and accept, okay. And if you want to modify the sketch or some dimension in the sketch, just right click on it, and then edit sketch option is there. So simply click on that, and whatever you want to modify you can. Suppose here, for just for the example, I'm double clicking on it and I'm making it 250, okay. This side also 250 and this side also 250. See, both the side is 250. Accept and accept, and then exit, okay. After that there is one more option which is called up to vertex, okay. So what we learned in the direction that what we learned till now. So we learn only two options. One is blind. In the blind also we learn only direction 1 and the mid-plane extension. We are going to learn up to vertex, okay. So accept it. Now suppose I am selecting this face, okay, and then creating a offset plane by using this datum plane option, okay. Click on it and then specify the distance between this face and this datum plane. Suppose this is 50 or 60. Click on 60, or make it little bit the distance, maybe 150. Fine. Accept and accept, okay, and right click on it and select the sketch. After that click on the circle. See, now I snap the center point and click on it, accept, okay, and specify the value. Suppose this is 80, accept and accept. And one more thing, still it is not constraint, so we have to make it constraint. So what I can do, just provide the value from the center to this origin. So suppose it is 150, no, 250 is fine, accept. And now I'm selecting this origin and the I'm selecting the center point and the origin and make it vertical. Now see, it is completely constrained, and then I'm exit from the 2D sketch. Now extrude. So after learning this blind and mid plane, now we will be learning about this up to vertex. So next option is up to vertex. Vertex means some corner or this end point. So now you need to choose the corner point or the vertex point. Click on this. See, the extrusion is being occurred till this face. Why? Because I am selecting this vertex point. Now right click on it and clear the selection, and then select this vertex point. Now see, it is automatically extruded till this vertex point. So now again, if you want to see some more example, just clear it and choose the vertex point up to this end or this face. Now see, it is extruded till this face. So accept and accept. Today we have covered three options, that is, one is blind, another is mid plane extrusion, and next one is vertex, up to vertex. So this video I think helpful for your learning process. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.